Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Best Go Neat t-shirt is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable pieces of clothing you can add to your wardrobe, offering a perfect blend of style and practicality for everyday wear. Whether you're looking for a casual outfit for a weekend outing or a comfortable base layer for a more dressed-up look, this t-shirt aims to deliver exceptional comfort and a flattering fit that will make you feel confident and at ease throughout the day. Its thoughtful design and quality materials are intended to provide a superior wearing experience, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking reliable and stylish everyday apparel. Number 5. Ekouaer Women's Satin V-Neck Camisole 2-Pack. Experience the silky smooth touch of our satin camisole tops. Designed for ultimate comfort and a flattering drape, they feel as good as they look. The elegant V-neckline adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. It's a classic design that complements your style beautifully. Featuring delicate spaghetti straps, these camisoles offer a customizable fit. Adjust them for perfect comfort and support throughout your day. Crafted from soft, breathable material, these tops keep you comfortable all day long. Enjoy a lightweight feel that's perfect for layering or wearing on its own. This 2-pack offers incredible versatility for your wardrobe. Dress them up for an evening out or wear them casually for everyday elegance. Get 2 essential pieces in one convenient pack. These camisoles are a must-have addition for any fashion-conscious individual seeking style and comfort. What we like? Experience luxurious comfort with this silky smooth fabric. The elegant V-neck design adds a touch of sophistication. If you're looking for a versatile piece that feels as good as it looks, this is the perfect choice for everyday wear or dressing up. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for everyday wear. The fit is true to size and very flattering. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that don't fade after washing. Number 4. Star Wars Darth Vader Controller Holder. It's time to welcome the dark side into your home with this iconic figure. It's designed to hold your devices and accessories. This heavy-duty PVC statue features a sturdy base, ensuring it holds your belongings securely without tipping over. It's built to last. It easily holds and displays a wide range of handheld electronics, business cards, TV remotes, and e-book readers. Keep your essentials organized. Calling all Star Wars fans. This collectible figure is a must-have gift for any enthusiast. Surprise them with a piece of their favorite saga. This is an officially licensed collectible, styled after Lord Darth Vader himself. It's your favorite pop culture character, with a purpose. What we like? Embrace the power of the dark side with this officially licensed collectible. Its sturdy construction and versatile design make it perfect for holding various devices. If you're a Star Wars fan or looking for a unique and functional display piece, this is an absolute must-have. What people say. The figure is much more detailed than I expected. The paint job looks great, the sculpting is well done, and the materials feel solid and good quality. It holds my controller securely and makes it easy to pick up and put down. So far, it hasn't fallen once. The stands not only hold the controllers perfect but also hold my phone as well. Number 3. Under Armour Men's Tech Golf Polo. Introducing the Under Armour Men's Tech Golf Polo. Designed for ultimate comfort and performance on the course. Its lightweight and breathable fabric keeps you cool and dry, no matter the temperature. Focus on your game, not the heat. Experience freedom with every swing. This polo is engineered to move with you, providing unrestricted flexibility. Don't let sweat slow you down. Our advanced moisture-wicking technology pulls sweat away from your skin, keeping you comfortable. Built to last and designed to impress. Look and feel your best with this essential golf apparel. Elevate your golf game with superior comfort and performance. This is the polo you'll reach for every time you play. What we like? Stay cool and dry with its advanced moisture-wicking technology. The breathable construction ensures comfort during any activity. If you're an athlete or enjoy an active lifestyle and need performance where that keeps up, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. The fabric is soft, breathable, and lightweight, which makes it perfect for staying cool. The material feels high quality, soft, breathable, and durable. It's the kind of fabric that moves well and doesn't feel stiff or cheap. One of my favorite things is the collar. it keeps its shape instead of folding or curling, even after multiple washes, which is often a problem with other polos. These shirts are amazingly comfortable and breathe well. They're not too snug, don't hug your spare tire areas, and don't show your nips and belly button. They also come in a great variety of colors, almost metallic looking, but in a very cool way. And the material also has a nice lined texture that is very subtle. And you almost never have to iron them. Number 2. Household Essentials 195 Shirt Folding Board. Tired of messy drawers and overflowing closets? Introducing a revolutionary tool that makes folding clothes a breeze. Get perfectly folded shirts in seconds, every single time. Achieve consistent, neat folds for all your shirts, from t-shirts to collar dress shirts. It ensures every item looks as good as new, saving you valuable time. Never guess how to fold again. It comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions for both collared and non-collared garments. You'll be a folding pro in no time. The innovative Easy Glide handle allows you to effortlessly slip the board out from your perfectly folded shirts. No more struggling or refolding. Not only does it help you fold, but the handle also doubles as a convenient hook. You can hang your freshly folded shirts directly, saving even more space. Reclaim your time and maximize your closet space. This essential tool streamlines your laundry routine and keeps your wardrobe impeccably organized. What we like. Achieve perfectly folded shirts every time with this easy-to-use tool. It significantly saves you time and helps maximize your closet space. If you value neatness and efficiency in your wardrobe organization, this is an essential item for a tidy closet. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for everyday wear. The fit is true to size and very flattering. The design is simple yet stylish, easy to pair with different outfits. Number 1. Men's Star Wars Periodic Table T-Shirt. Explore the universe of Star Wars with this unique graphic T-shirt. It's perfect for any fan looking to showcase their love for the galaxy far, far away. Featuring a creative periodic table design inspired by Star Wars, this tee is a conversation starter. It cleverly blends scientific elements with iconic characters and symbols. Crafted for comfort, this shirt is made from soft, breathable fabric. You'll feel great wearing it whether you're out and about or relaxing at home. Surprise the Star Wars enthusiast in your life with this awesome t-shirt. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Add this must-have piece to your wardrobe today. It's designed to be a staple for any fan's collection. What we like. Showcase your love for science and Star Wars with this unique graphic tee. Crafted from soft, comfortable material, it's perfect for casual wear. If you're a fan of pop culture and appreciate a blend of style and comfort, this shirt is a fantastic addition to your collection. What people say. The fit was great, the material feels comfortable, and the design looks awesome in person. Excellent graphics and comfortable material. It was great that the characters were grouped into categories just like elements on the periodic table. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.